Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left-hand list. Go to Lock Screen. Click on the drop-down list next to Personalize your lock screen. You have 3 options to choose from: Windows Spotlight, Picture, and Slideshow. If you choose Picture, you can set up the image that you want to be your locked screen. Click on Browse Photos. A new window will open. Choose the image that you want and click on Choose Picture. You can enable or disable Get Fun Facts, Tips, Tricks, and more on your lock screen. You can sign up from your account to see the new lock screen. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!